Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing crochet tutorial. In this video, we're going to be crocheting this beautiful V-stitch top. We're starting with a slip knot, and for a slip knot, this end here is called the tail of your yarn. This other end is the working yarn. Wrap the working yarn around 2 fingers. You have a circle. Go into the circle with your working yarn and pull. Pull the working yarn to fit the circle around your hook. For this crochet top, we need just 2 measurements, which is the measurement around your body and the length of your top. Using your measuring tape in inches, you're going to measure around your boob down to your back, and you take note of that measurement. And the second measurement is how long you want your top to be. Now you're going to make a number of chains that match your measurement. If you measured yourself and you have 36 inches, you're making a chain that is as long as 36 inches. The number of your chains should be a multiple of 3. When you get the length of your chain, you're going to add 2 more chains. We are going to begin the pattern for this crochet top. Skip the first 2 chains, go into the 3rd chain, yarn over. Into that 3rd chain, you work a double crochet. You have 3 loops. Pull through 2. Without completing that double crochet, you yarn over, go back into that same space. You have 4 loops. Now pull through 2 loops and you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. After that, chain 1. So we have our first V-stitch cluster. For the second cluster, you start a double crochet but you don't complete it. You have 2 loops. You go back into the stitch. You pull through and have 4 loops. Now pull through 2 loops. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. We're going to repeat this across for this row. Skip the next 2 stitches. Go into the 3rd stitch. Begin a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. With the 2 loops, yarn over, go back into that same space. You have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. You have 3. Yarn over, pull through 3. Chain 1. Begin a double crochet in that same space. You have 2 loops. With the 2 loops, go back into that same space. Pull through 2. You have 3. Pull through all 3 loops. You're going to repeat this pattern across till you're at the last chain. After your last V-stitch, we're going to place 1 double crochet into the last stitch. This is to keep the edge of your work straight. To begin the next row, you're going to chain up 3 and you turn your work. To begin row 2, we are going to continue with this V-stitch pattern. So into the chain 1 space, which is at the middle of your 2 clusters, you're going to yarn over, go into that chain space, yarn over, pull through 2, which is beginning a double crochet. With the 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, go back into the space, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops and chain 1. We're simply repeating this pattern across for this new row. yarn over, pull through 2. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Repeat same thing into the next cluster, which is into the next chain 1 space. You're going to repeat this pattern till you're at the end of the row. After your last V-stitch of the row, you're going to work a double crochet into the last stitch, and this is how you end every row. This is to keep the edge of your work straight. Begin the 3rd row by chaining 3, turn your work. This is how to begin every new row, and you're going to repeat this V-stitch cluster pattern till you have the length of your top from top to bottom, however long you want your top to be. You're repeating this pattern rows after rows till you have the length. Don't forget to always place a double crochet at the end of every row. I made a total of 21 rows to get the length of my top. You can make more, you can make less. Now, after you get the length of your top, we're going to start placing a single crochet on the side of our top. So, after your last stitch, which is a double crochet, we're going to place 1 single crochet into every row. I'd advise you use same yarn color to work your single crochet so your work comes out neat and clean. I just ran out of yarn. So repeat a single crochet till you're at the last stitch at the bottom. After working a single crochet on the side of your top, we are at the final stitch. From here, we're going to work the strap of our top, and you're just going to make a number of chains, a long chain which is suitable for your size. After working on your strap on one side of your top, you're going to come over to the opposite side, reattach your yarn into the last stitch, work a single crochet upward. At the last stitch again, you're going to make your strap, which is chaining a long number of chains. When you have the length of your strap, you can cut off and pull through, but my yarn was already finished, so I just pulled through at once. Tighten up, grab your scissors and cut off the edge. We're going to work on this strap for the top of our work, and we're just going to make a random number of chains. It does not have to be long. When you get the length of your chain, cut off your yarn, pull through and tighten up. Cut off one end of the yarn tail. We're going to attach the other end of the strap on our work. This is just an easy and simple way to do this. Grab the yarn tail and pull it through. Now you're going to gently and carefully tie the strap to your crochet top. You can do this a couple times. Now you're going to sew this yarn tail into your top. Come to the back of your top. You're going to go into the top of some stitches to hide this yarn tail. After that, you can just cut it off. Now you're going to lace up the top of your work. You're repeating the same thing on the other end of your top. For lacing the back of your top, you're going to lace in a crisscross direction like this. While wearing your top, your hands go through these first two openings and your head goes through the top of your work, which is really easy and simple. Finally, we have to hide these loose ends at the back of our work using your yarn needle. We're going to go into the top of some stitches, just the surface stitches. After that, you can go ahead to cut off your yarn and it seals off your work neatly. This is the final result of our top. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video was easy for you to understand. Let me know what you think of this crochet top in the comment section also. Do you like it? Would you be trying out this pattern? And please don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and please share to your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.